Alright, and then hit refresh. Okay, so there you go. This is what your website is going to look like. And now you see that you have all these, stuff popping up here. You have stuff on the bottom. You have some stuff in the middle right here, some pop quizzes. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that right now. And then I'm going to show you how to make your first blog post. I'm going to show you how to add your banners. And then I'm going to show you where to get the pop-up domination so that you can get a pop-up web form on your blog. Okay? So let's go through those steps right now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, now that you have that taken care of, you want to go back to appearance, okay, and flexibility theme options. Alright, so click the flexibility theme options, wait for it to load, and once you get here, after it loads, you're going to want to go to top feature, okay, so right now, you click this button right here, you're going to see all these little bars here, okay? You're going to have to really go through this on your own. I'm just going to show you how to get rid of the affiliate ads on your website right now. So right now, go to top feature, scroll down, and right here where it says display optional feature section below header, it says yes right now, so you want to put that.
Avast virus database has been updated.
Sorry about that. So you want to put that to no, okay? So put that on no. And then hit save changes. Okay, so click save changes, and it's going to save that for you. Okay. The second thing you want to do after this saves is you want to go to the footer. Okay, so click the footer, let it load. Okay, so it loaded, and right here it says use footer feature section, and it says yes, so you want to click no. Alright, so set that to no, save changes, okay, so it is not saved yet, so wait for it to save, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Okay, so now it's saved. Alright, so we're going to go back to our blog. Alright, now hit refresh. And there you go. Okay, so the ad is gone and the ad at the bottom is gone, right? So now you have a nice fresh blog, and now I'm going to show you how to post it. So congratulations, you have a blog, and I'm going to show you how to make your first blog post. Okay, so on my blog, you just take a quick look. Right now I have this header here. I'm not going to show you how to do that. You can actually read up on how to do this. Actually, I'm going to leave an affiliate link. Not affiliate link. It's going to be a blogging book, okay, from Jack Humphrey, and it's going to teach you how to do all that stuff. But what I did was I went to a website called Fiverr.com. I put a link down there as well, and you can find people that would design headers for you or whatever you want them to design or create for you, and they all do stuff for $5. So I had somebody create this blog header for me for $5, and I just uploaded it into the back of the WordPress office. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how to create your first blog post. Okay. Alright, so here we go. So to do your first blog post, you want to hit post. Okay. Let it load. My computer's running really slow right now because I'm running the Camtasia Studio in the background, which is the software I'm using to record the screen, so it really slows stuff down. Alright, so let's go to our first blog post. You can click add new. Alright, so just let that load, and we are going to create a new blog post. Alright, so this is going to be your very first blog post. What I've done is I've actually already copied one of my old blog posts. I'm just going to stick it in there. Okay, just wait for this to load. Alright, so here's the title. I'm going to create a title, So I'm going to show you the importance of titles, the next couple of days here throughout this boot camp. And titles are very important. You want to target specific keywords and write about it. But for now, let's just call it my first blog post. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be the name of my blog post. Okay. You can blog about whatever you want. Remember, you can blog about your everyday life. You can tell people your story. You can blog about your business. You can blog about products. Whatever you want to blog about, it's your blog. You can write about it, right? So I've already copied and pasted an old blog post from my other blog, okay, the one that I already have. Okay, so that's already in there. You want to add pictures, okay, so if you click this button right here, I'm not going to click it because it's going to go really slow, but if you click this button right here, it will upload pictures from your desktop. So this is where I got this picture from, right? And this is where you put all your content, guys. So this is all it is. You can actually go to the HTML. So when you learn just basic HTML, you can put some links in there, and you can put some H2 tags, and you'll learn all about that stuff in this blog, in this boot camp. But for now, let's just do that. Let's publish. Hit publish. Okay. Okay, and it's going to publish this to your blog. Okay, so now let's look and see what our first blog post looks like. So we're going to refresh. And there we go. Look at that. Our first blog post. Okay, so as you see, that looks pretty nice, right? So that's your first blog post. Congratulations. All right, so like I've shown you, here's the pictures. You can make the pictures clickable. I wanted to share with you. You can put links inside of there, so you can link to different things, and you'll learn how to do that once you play around with, the blog. And you can learn a lot more in the back office of My Lead System Pro about blogging. They have a full training on that. So if you got the My Lead System Pro system, you can go back there and learn all about blogging, more than what I'm going to teach you here, and definitely get the notes and bolts of it, right? So the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to add your pop-up. Okay, well, actually, let's do the plugins. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some plugins right now. So plugins are very important. They help your blog. They help the appearance of your blog. They help your blog run faster. And I'm just going to show you some of the best plugins for your blog. Okay, so let's go to plugins, click add new. You can actually do some research. Like I said, I'll give you the Jack Humphreys blogging book, and he'll have all the plugins that you need for your blog. When you go through that ebook, make sure that you only read a couple pages a day, because it can confuse you if you try to read it all at once. But my top 10 plugins are at the beginning of this video training. So if when you're done with this video, just go back to the front and just write down all of the plugin names, and then plug them in here and search for them. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Facebook share, or the Facebook like box. Okay, so Facebook like box. Click search. All right, click install now. Click install now. Okay, hit OK. Make sure you read the description and it's the right thing that you want. Alright, so you activate it. Alright, so you got the Facebook like box. Let's add another one. The Twitter button. So you want people to tweet your blog posts. It's very important that you have people, you encourage people to tweet your blog posts and share them and like them, because it just causes, it's syndication, guys. Syndication, and getting people to share your content all over the internet. And that's the way that you're going to get, your name out there. And that's how you can generate leads, when people are sharing your content on their on their social media sites, and all their friends see that they liked your blog post, they're going to check it out too, right? And that's going to help you generate leads for your business, right? So very powerful, very powerful. All right, so the next one's called Tweet Me. All right, so just click install, hit OK. Activate the plugin. Alright, so it's activated. Now let's check it out. Click refresh. Look at that. Alright, so now you got the Twitter button there. And the Facebook like button should pop up. Okay, so the Facebook like button didn't pop up for some strange reason, but as you see here, that's a tweet button. So someone clicks that and they can tweet your blog post. I'll show you one more plugin for your blog. OnlyWire. You want OnlyWire. This is going to allow you to share your blog post on 25 plus, I think it's about 50 of the top social networking sites. And all you have to do is sign up for all the different profiles. And then with the click of a button, you can literally post your content all over the search engines with one click of a button. Okay, so it's a very cool tool. So OnlyWire for WordPress. Alright, so search. Alright, so OnlyWire for WordPress. Install it. Activate it. And that's it, guys. So there you go. Now let's refresh it and take a look at OnlyWire. Alright, so this is OnlyWire. Right, so as you see here, all these sites, okay, what you want to do is you want to create an account on all of these sites. Okay, so you got Twitter, MySpace, LinkedIn, Facebook, Dig, and you want to sign up for all these. Once you create your account and you finish your blog post, after each blog post, all you have to do is hit submit. And it's going to blast your blog posts to all of these sites all at once. Okay, so imagine how many people, how many eyeballs are going to see your blog post every time you post something. Bam, you put it out there, and it's in 50 different places on some of the most popular websites where people are going to see it, click it, and visit your blog, and then they're going to become your lead. Okay, so the last piece of the puzzle here is to add a web form to your blog. Okay, this is the most important piece of property on your blog. Okay, if you don't have a web form for your blog, then you're not going to generate leads. And this is all about leads. This is my traffic transformation bootcamp, so you can generate more leads for your business, right? So I'm going to go to my website, my blog, okay, and we're going to show you how to set up your web form. Okay, this is a web form that you can get from Aweber. I'm not going to show you how to do that. You can actually learn how to do this in the back office of My Lead System Pro. That takes a bit of time, but you want to go, there's a link below here to pop-up domination.